What's teenage? Some say it's just an age while the others say it's a flip of page. But what reality is, it's not just a 13 to 19 age, but an emotion traumatic age. Anger, fear, love, lust, body unable to hold the burst. Afraid to live, afraid to die, afraid to love, afraid to try. Consequences of wrong unable to bear. Life seems to be quite unfair. I know we are too calm for the ocean but also too bold for the pond. It becomes more difficult to handle when our parents don't respond. Bands slipping, lockets rolling off. This stage shows us people walking off. Egoistic, bold, kind or sweet. Now gestures will change on your tweet. Social life, a huge rudeness. Text, clicks, videos, strangle my neck. So influenced, now completely other. Ourselves will lose and journey further. Not so easy, we know that well. Going back to start is bad as hell. But at last, an appreciation at least for not giving up. I know I fell, but I did climb up. While the society asks us, why don't you be like us? They question, what is your problem? Do you mean your teachers? I say, no, I once met my features. Oh, have you lost update of fashion trends? No, I lost all my friends. Then what's the problem? Didn't you get fish fry? No, I just gave up to try. Dude, you are just stressed. No, I was depressed, so you cried. When my problems were not accepted at your end. Okay, so I think you're a robot now. Yes. Whenever I needed support, that's all we crave. Also, I want myself to be brave. It's not easy, please understand. Teenage, we need a stand. We want to fly high in colors. We want to shine bright in desire. Still, why the music colors become dull all time? Why we have to adjust and learn every time? For God's sake, lifestyle has changed, not the culture. Guidance must be there, not the torture. To cry upon a shoulder we need. How long will our pillow feed? To open up we need you. How long will we rely on you? We go through a lot, and on our condition you shamelessly mock. Kids or adults, you change your voice, then shameless we raise our voice. It's all small for you are big, but big for us, for we are still small. I am a teenager. Even for me, I am a stranger. I have this river flowing of emotions, but probably I am unaware of my emotions. Though I have always expected good grades, now please let me experience my shades. Already decided my future, to my dreams, they are like bacha. Now I eagerly want a listener to stop being this prisoner. Though I dream of things untold, lies and promises, those still unfold. I walk in between the hopes, those disguised as skins. They lead me to the road of every bloody sin. Without an illusion, there is a lot of confusion. Demise of fun with infuriating tensions. Living in an imaginary world with unwanted relations. Being lovers or being friends, then being desolated is kind of catastrophic end. Forgetting the sorrows behind, learned hiding things with time, assuring to keep things simple. Though we fear having a pimple. Now, neither I can hold it nor I can speak, but I can surely feel the stress is on its peak. So let's abolish the drama and appreciate the drama, as teenage could be like a drama which is a